How to connect Google Tasks to Microsoft To Do. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Google Tasks to Microsoft To Do. So to get started, go ahead and create a Zapier account. So Zapier is the only way for you to connect your Google Tasks to your Microsoft To Do. So on Zapier, click on Zap to create a new Zap, and then in here, go ahead and set up the trigger. So click on the trigger section, and then from here, go ahead and use the search bar to search for Google Tasks. So what you need to do in here is to set the event to new tasks, and then connect your Google account, sign in and grant permissions, and then customize the trigger. So in this section, you need to go ahead and set the trigger event to new tasks. And then after that, go ahead and sign in to your Google account on Zapier. So make sure to sign in to the Google account that you want to connect to your Microsoft To Do. So after you connect that, you need to go ahead and proceed on configuring it. So go ahead and click on that continue button, and then from here go ahead and select the task list and set if you want to include the assigned task under that task list. Now after that, click on continue, and then you need to task the trigger before you proceed on creating the action. So once this is done, go ahead and click on that action button. In here, go ahead and search for Microsoft To Do. So use the search bar to search for that specific application in this section. So once you find that, go ahead and click on that, and then from here go ahead and set the action event. So set the action event to create tasks, and then go ahead and connect your Microsoft account or sign into your Microsoft account on Zapier. So make sure to sign in and authorize Zapier to access your account and give necessary permissions. Now, once this is done, you can go ahead and continue on the next step. So make sure to accomplish this first and authorize the connection between Zapier and your Outlook account. So once this is done, you can go ahead and click on continue and then configure this. So in here, go ahead and set the title, the list, and the note along with the due date and the reminder date of the specific task. So after that, you need to go ahead and click on this continue button. So you need to task the action before you publish it. So click on this task step first before you can find the publish button. So click on publish once you're done. So your automation is now live, and any new task added to your Google Tasks will appear in Microsoft To Do. And that basically connected your Google Tasks to your Microsoft To Do account. And that is how you can basically connect Google Tasks to Microsoft To Do. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.